Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Skout account. So for this, first of all, open up the Skout app on your mobile device and then tap on continue with email, or you can even log in with your Facebook or Google as per your convenience. So if you're trying to log in with your email because you signed up with it, tap on continue with email and then tap on login with email. As you do that, you have to enter your email address that you've used to sign up and then also enter the password for your account. So here I'm just going to enter the password and then tap on the login button. After tapping on the login button, wait for a certain while and eventually you'll be able to see that you have gotten logged into your own Skout account, and you can always start forming connections with people. So this is basically how it works. It's quite simple, and I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to log into your own account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.